Hi everyone, we're actually here for our short video series as a part of the Safal Together GATE 2026 preparation program. We're actually coming to a very common topic or common question that a lot of students ask when they're preparing for their GATE exams. What next, or what can you do with your GATE score once you have it in your hand? Okay, so we're going to be looking at the opportunities that the GATE score presents to everyone. So we're all aware that the GATE exam is a national level exam, okay, where you're comprehensively assessed for your understanding in various subjects under the engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, and arts domain, humanities too. Okay, so once you have a valid score, what can you actually do? The major two avenues that you go for. The first is that you can seek admission into master's programs or direct doctoral programs in the domain that you have appeared for, which includes engineering, technology, architecture, science, and humanities. The second option that you have is to choose a doctoral program in relevant branches. So, or your subsidiary streams of branches, you can actually pick up a doctoral program in that in the institutions where the Ministry of Education and other government agencies actually support. Okay, so these are the admission avenues that you have. The other question that a lot of students have is about the financial assistance. Okay, so once you have a qualifying GATE score, you will actually get a lot of financial assistance for both your master's programs and your doctoral programs that I mentioned before. The basic pay structure currently is that your MTech students or your master's students would be provided a monthly stipend of 12,400 for a period of 22 months. Your PhD students, on the other hand, would get about 37,000 for your first 2 years and 42,000 for the third year to the fifth year. Okay, so for for your doctoral programs, you are given a stipend for 5 years, and for your master's programs, you're given it for a period of 22 months. Okay. Besides getting admission into your higher studies programs, the other major avenue that a lot of uh, people look at is the recruitment process. Okay, so a lot of public sector undertakings also use the GATE score for their recruitment process. Some of them that we commonly come across is Airports Authority of India, BSNL, Coal India Limited, CRIS, Engineers India Limited, and you can see a comprehensive list on the screen itself. There are more such PSUs that actually opt for a valid GATE score. Okay, so this is the other avenue that all of you can keep a lookout for. Okay, that's it for today. For more such information and for the preparation towards your GATE 2026 program, I would totally recommend the Suffer Together's coaching program that's in progress. Okay, so hoping to see you all there and all the best for your preparation. Thank you.